So, to the question, is Jesus God? We pose a counter question, did he claim to be God? It's not a single unequivocal statement anywhere in the Bible where Jesus says, I'm God, or where he says, worship me. Meaning a single statement, straightforward, saying that, look, I'm God. No doubt about that. If a man says, I'm God, or he says, worship me. I said, show me in your book 73 books of the Roman Catholics or 66 of the Protestants, anywhere, in any version, and they have 1,000 versions now. Day by day they're coming out, it's like mushrooms, they're sprouting. I went to the Bible house this afternoon and I was dazed with the amount of Bibles, their versions that they have. I had to buy one because one of our Christian interrogators, questioners, when I asked him, what Bible have you got? He doesn't want to answer. He wants to know, what Quran have you got? So I said, it is Abdullah Yusuf Ali's. I said, what Bible have you got? So he says, NIB. Never heard in my life before. I'm supposed to be in the know. Or maybe now I think he must have said NIV, but it sounded like NIB, Nib. I said, Nib, NIB? What Bible is that? So it's a New International Version. I said, oh. So I had to go and buy one. I bought one today. So now he can come forward and I can speak to him about the NIB. You see, now this is how knowledge increases. The guy puts a problem to you, he comes about with something new, so let's go and see this new thing now. Where